Hey everyone, it's ClickHow. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off ChatGPT History and also stop your chats from being used for training. First, click your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings and click Data Controls on the left side. Now, look for the toggle that says Improve the model for everyone. Switch it off. This stops your future chats from being used to train OpenAI's models. If you want to go completely invisible, no history saved at all, look at the top right corner of the main screen. Click the stopwatch icon next to the model name to turn on temporary chat. Your conversation won't appear in your sidebar history, won't create memories, and won't be used for training. A quick tip: turning off the training setting only applies to future chats. If you already had conversations before making this change, they might have been used for training already. Use temporary chat whenever you want a completely private session that leaves no trace. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.